Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, I want to say hello. I am Nisha and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about she right here, y'all. I am feeling like a whole new woman with this unit. Okay, do y'all see the parting? Do y'all see this? Sis, this is synthetic. Before I get into the details about this wig, I'm going to show you guys what this wig looked like when I took it out of the packaging. I'm going to dress it up, fix it up, show you guys all that detail before I talk about this hair unit. So this is by Outre. This is called the lace front Kitana style wig. Okay, I'm really loving the name Kitana. But y'all, you know a wig gonna be a banger when the girls on the model card actually look good. Like the wigs actually look good on them. Like there's some wig cards where you be like, oh my gosh, they couldn't fix her wig a little bit better, so it makes you a little bit more questionable. But y'all, they are slaying on these cards as well, and I'm loving the colors that this girl is wearing on the card, by the way. So I really don't have any complaints about this hair. I mean, of course, she may tangle a little bit towards, you know, the little kitchen area, you know, after a while, my wig's always tangled up like right there. And since she getting a little tangle, of course, back there, but I kind of was expecting that anyway, being that this wig is synthetic and being that this wig is very long, so of course it's going to get a little bit matter and tangle back there, but ain't nobody gonna see back there. Should nobody be back there. Should nobody be way all the way in the back of your neck seeing what's going on. So don't worry about the bird nest. Should nobody be all the way back in your wig like that, okay? So the waves are gorgeous. The color is very natural. I'm here for the color. I'm here for the length. I'm here for the waves. And I am definitely here for this parting, you guys. This is looking good. I didn't even lay it all the way down going across. I just laid it right here in the center part because I don't leave my wigs on. You know, I wear them for the day and then I take them off. But definitely if you wanted to do that, then you can do that. but I really love this wig. Like, I really don't have anything bad to say about this. Like, she's gorgeous. I put that hair mousse just to lock some of these waves because I do feel like after a while the waves are going to go away. So I put some hair mousse just to lock those curls in, so when I comb it out, they still have that little wave look. Plus, I wanted to have like a little nice, like wet look as well. So how did I do? She's cute. I just cut this video short and simple. If you guys want to check this wig out, get it. I definitely recommend for you guys to get it. I will have that link down in the description box. But she is cute. She is everything. I really don't have any complaints about her. She comes in nice different variety of colors as well. I don't see me getting her in any other colors. I've just been really plain when it comes to my hair colors. Like, I just been loving my natural black hair, so that's what I'm going to be sticking with. But if you are into color hair, she does come in colors, so definitely recommend that. But that's all I gotta say about her. Cute. I can say that she's cute, y'all. She's really cute. Okay, I just can't get over this party. She cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to check this out, get your hands on this hair unit, definitely go ahead and check the description box. I will have everything listed down there, and that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, I'll see you guys all in another video.